we just came out, 2.5 hour drive, straight from Mini Moto Nation Backyard Invitational, and we are now at the Kessler compound. Take a look. Might be hard to see, but
saw Sprinter.
yeah.
Look through the Sprinter.
Day late, dollar short.
Yeah, we're back here. It's the 5th annual Kessler compound Halloween shred session, I guess you could say. Everyone's out there ripping right now, so I threw my stock pipe on already, and we're gonna go out there and spin some laps.
Holy shit. Another one! My goodness! Woo! About to get out there. The water's getting belligerent.
Yo!
Yo!
Don't click Donzi's camera!
No, it may very well
When did you
be.
get here?
I've been here. I've been here for an hour.
Jump the pond! Jump the pond!
Jump the pond!
No, I was born at night! That was the last one! Jump the pond!
Jump the pond!
No, I'm not jumping the pond!
Do a cliffhanger.
Hey!
Do a cliffhanger. No shot off that ramp.
Yo, come on, Worm!
No!
Michael, be fine!
There's two of them.
Oh, side by side.
Yo, what?
Holy shit.
So who's going in?
Oh shit, Cody.
What up?
How you doing, buddy?
So many!
You doing it, kid?
Yeah, I got no
Fuck this one. Fuck these
out here.
pussies. Yeah, doggy. Larry! Yeah, boy.
Got my phone. Listen, dudes. This is the first year I came here, seeing the pond gym fucking flip.
Alright, so it's the morning after Kessler's Halloween party and the Maryland Mini Moto Pit Bike race. We got the Mini Moto ramp
Real quick.
in the van right now, and we were gonna pull it out at Kessler's last night, but there wasn't really an ideal landing for it, so unfortunately we didn't get a mid-party ramp session in, but it's the next day. We're at the Dope compound right now, and we got all the South Jersey NJ Rippers and Connor. Unfortunately, my bike got a flat last night, so I'll bust the KLX out. We'll rip it a little bit.
Come on, hit the gym up.
2, 3. Oh, this is a tight fit, Donz.
Yeah.
How'd you even get this in?
Just a lot of people.
More than 2 more.
Bert, get in there.
I got one arm.
Well, better than fucking no arm.
Yeah, this is light.
Yeah, it ain't that bad.
Right here, set it.
Watch your fingers.
Oh! Fuck yeah.
It's our number plate.
Why are your bars so far back?
Dude, it feels weird.
They're lean way in. They're rolled in.
Yeah, you can tell I rode it last.
What is that carbureted? My shifter's hitting the cage too. It's barely shifting.
That would be it.
Iced it.
God, it's
Donzi!
Donzi.
Oh my god!
Donzi.
On a KLX! Oh.
It's the old school ones.
Old school. Like,
Go,
comment,
body armor.
subscribe. Here you go. Oh, cheers, man. Oh, you got some
Yeah,
too?
oh, yeah.
like to say another day, another pit bike track, but this is literally like the 4th track we've ridden in 2 days. So I can't even say another day. But we're at another pit bike track. We're pulling into Janusa's right now. Crash it, baby.
She's good to go now.
And she's back.
This track is sick though.
It's rad.
Oh, look at Gerber.
Gerber! Bro!
Come on, Connor. Show them how it's done.
Let's do this. We're gonna show you how to film a ride.
That's right, bro.
2010 Arena Cross.
Man behind the
Pit bike
lens is the man on the bike.
Here we go.
There you go, buddy.
Boom, boom,
Boom, boom, boom,
all over
boom,
the
boom,
place.
boom.
Is the key
Is that
off?
off?
One crack. Yeah, keys off.
Damn,
Keys
dude,
off.
it was working before I
How
gave
is
it
the
to
key
you.
off? The
God
lights
damn,
don't-
Connor.
It was me. Me? Never. No. Maybe a little.
Let's go, baby! Full send! You! Oh my god. More pepper.
Dude, that's all the pepper I got. I'm 200 pounds, bro.
I think it's doable.
What's
That's
doable?
like 90 feet. We're coming from over there. You see that little berm peeking out of the
Yep,
trees?
yep.
Come straight, hit that knuckle on the top of the double
Yep.
landing, pop right over here.
Oh, dude. Easy. What's happening?
They're about to quad this thing. Pettis says he could get it, so
Oh, Pettis someone instigating it.
I will see. There's 2 of them. I'm not doing it on the fart cannon, that's for sure.
No, what?
The fart cannon.
Gerb, you up?
Easy access, bro. I want everybody to see the Ethicus. New drop. Heading out.
Yo, did anyone see that? Yo, did you see that? Oh my god, Nick was coming in that corner hot, caught the tree, and just yard sailed himself.
No, seriously?
Yeah, dude.
Wait, I see the fender. Is he okay? Yep. Ty, what happened there, bud?
Oh, we just cartwheeled in the whoops a little bit.
Just a little cartwheel.
Yeah, just.
How's Oh.
It's alright. We've had better days.
Wait, I'm gonna ask Donzi how I do. I wanna do the next intro. Donzi, I've been practicing to do the next YouTube intro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
hear it.
She has a terrible idea that they want to be us for Halloween.
Hey YouTube, we're out here at Facility 15 with the boys. We're just gonna rip some pit bikes, you know? Come on, we'll check you later.
Like, comment, subscribe. Come
Like,
on.
comment, subscribe. Look out for more videos like this.